Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vandanar Hanifah from English Letter 2D. Here, I will explain about calculating zakat mal. Before calculating, I will explain in advance about the meaning, pillars, condition, and argument of zakat mal. First, the definition of zakat mal. The definition of zakat mal is zakat that must be given because keep have sufficient wealth, for example, money, gold, etc. The term mal comes from Arabic word which means wealth or wealth. Al-amwal, plural of the word mal, is everything that human want to keep and possess. Therefore, the meaning of zakat mal itself is zakat which is imposed on all types of asset, which in substance or substance the acquisition is not contrary to religion provision. An example of zakat mal can be in the form of money, goods, securities, professional income, asset, trade, meaning good or marine product, rental of asset, and so on. Second, asset that can be zakated must meet the following requirements. First, wholly owned by the person in question. The meaning is that the property is under full control of power by the owner and can be taken advantage of through the correct ownership process and according to Islamic law. For example, assets from business ownership, inheritance, work saving, state gift, donation, and so on, which essentially are obtained legally growing. Assets that can be put into practice are assets that can develop or if cultivated will have the potential to develop. Second, a nisab. Assets that can be put into practice in zakat mal are those that have also reached a certain amount in accordance with the provision of Sharia. Third, more than basic necessities. Basic needs are the minimum need needed by a person and family members to carry out their life. That is, mals or assets that can be practiced are those that have been counted for more than this basic need. When the basic needs have been met properly and the person concerned still has more, it is recommended that the extra will be put this practice. 4. Free from debt. People who are not free from debt are not advised to pay zakat, but it is better to pay the debt at the same time as paying zakat. In a sense, zakat asset must be free from debt obligation. 5. 1 year passed. It means that the ownership of the property has passed 1 year. This requirement only applies to livestock, saving and commercial property, while agricultural products, fruit and recast infected goods are not included. The following is a list of mals or assets that must be paid zakat: gold and silver, cattle, agricultural product, commercial property, mining wealth and marine wealth. The nisab or minimum requirement for zakat mal is 85 grams of gold. If it is in the form of other asset, then the equivalent of the price of 85 grams of gold from the nisab is taken to 0.5% as the level of zakat mal. Next, there are 4 pillars that must be fulfilled when paying zakat mal, including the following. 1. Intention. As for the intention of zakat mal, namely, A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ahrija atala illallahi ala. It means I intend to issue zakat mal from myself fardu because of Allah Ta'ala. Second, muzaki or people who pay title. Third, mustahi or people who receive zakat. When zakat is given to mustahi, there is a prayer that must be read, namely, A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahu arkalaka ajfalahu laka. Meaning, hopefully Allah will reward you for what you give, bless what is still in your hand, and make it a cleanser for you. And the last, zakat goods. Next, dalil about zakat mal. First, Quran Surat Al-Baqarah verse 43. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa ahimus sholata wa atuz zakata warka'u ma'ar raki'in. Translation: and established prayer, pay zakat and bow down with those who bow. Second, Quran Surat Al-Baqarah verse 176. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yamhaqullahu riba wa yurbis sadaqah. Wallahu la yuhibbu kulla kafarin asim. Translation meaning: Allah destroys usury and enriches alms, and Allah does not like everyone who remains in disbelief and always commits sin. And the last, Quran Surat At-Taubah verse 103. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Husmin amwalihim adaqatan tutahhiruhum wa tuzakihim biha wa alaihim. Inna ala takasakanul lahum. Wallahu sami'un alim. Translation: take zakat from some of their wealth. With that zakat you cleanse and purify them and pray for them. Finally, your prayer becomes peace of soul for them, and Allah is all-hearing, all-knowing. Okay, next I will explain about calculate zakat mal. The formula is modal plus cash plus account receivable less debit and tax multiplied by 2.5%. For the example, property that must be zakat: 5 units of unsold tables and chair of furniture. The amount is IDR 10 million. And I have cash IDR 15 million and account receivable IDR 2 million, and amount for all is IDR 27 million. And I have debit and tax IDR 7 million. So, the balance is 27 million less 7 million. The balance is IDR 20 million. Then, the amount of zakat is 2.5% multiplied by IDR 20 million. So, the zakat mal is IDR 500. That's a short explanation for me regarding the calculation of zakat mal. If there is an error in my word, I apologize for the magnitude. And thanks to Mr. Khalid Firmansyah, who has guided me and FIQH courses for this semester. Akhirul kalam, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.